Hello and welcome. If you're a student eager to start earning online, you've come to the right place. Our courses are designed to help you succeed. Discover how to tap into freelancing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, and cutting-edge AI tools. Transform your skills into a reliable income source. Learn how to offer your services online, set up your own store, earn through affiliate programs, and utilize AI tools to enhance your productivity. Our courses cover vital skills like digital marketing, web development, and the latest in AI technology. We ensure you gain hands-on experience and practical knowledge. With engaging lessons and real-world applications, you'll be equipped to apply what you've learned effectively. Build a standout portfolio, launch exciting projects, and start earning online. We provide all the tools and support you need to achieve your goals. Ready to take the next step? Subscribe to our channel, explore our courses, and embark on your path to online success. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit the bell icon for updates. Thank you for watching. Your journey to online earning starts here. See you in our next video.